Classical liberalism is the basic, original version of liberalism. It says, people should be as free as possible in their lives, and money matters. The government should stay small and only do a few key jobs. You see it in real life every day. You can start your own small business with not too many rules. You can buy and sell things freely. You own your house or car, and the government can't just take it. You can say what you think without the state stopping you, as long as it doesn't hurt others. These freedoms come from classical liberalism ideas. The main rules are very simple. Individual freedom first. You decide your own life, job, beliefs, and how to spend your money. Limited government. Government only protects your basic rights. Life, freedom, property, keeps peace, defends the country, and makes sure contracts are fair. It should not control the economy a lot or take too much in taxes. Free markets, businesses, and people trade without heavy rules. Competition makes things better, cheaper, and more innovative. Private property. You own what you earn or buy, and this encourages hard work and smart choices. Rule of law. Everyone, even leaders, follows the same clear laws. No one is above them. Big thinkers made this idea popular long ago. John Locke, around 1700, said people have natural rights to life, liberty, and property. Government must protect those rights, or people can change it. Adam Smith's 1776 book, The Wealth of Nations, explained the invisible hand. When people follow their own interests in a free market, it helps everyone through better products and jobs. This started in the 1600s to 1800s during the Enlightenment. It fought against kings with too much power, heavy trade rules, and old unfair systems. It helped start the American Revolution, freedom and limited government, and pushed fast growth in factories and trade. Classical liberalism is different from modern liberalism, sometimes called social liberalism. Classical wants very little government in money and business. Modern liberalism says government should help fix problems like poverty or unfairness with schools, healthcare, rules against big companies hurting people. In 2026, no country follows pure classical liberalism, but many places use parts of it. The US Constitution has ideas like limited government and strong rights. Low tax, business-friendly countries show its effects. Global economy grows steadily at 3.3% this year, from the latest IMF report in January 2026. Tech like AI and open markets help this growth a lot. Classical ideas in action. Good sides, it creates lots of new ideas, businesses, and wealth. People work hard because they keep what they earn. It stops big government from controlling too much. Hard sides, without some help, markets can make big rich-poor gaps. The richest 10% own about 3/4 of world wealth, the bottom half own only 2%, world inequality. Report 2026. Some say this leads to unfairness or weak safety for workers. Classical liberalism is all about trusting people to be free and responsible. It builds progress through choice and competition. But in today's world, people debate if it needs small fixes to handle big inequality without losing freedom. Which part of classical liberalism makes sense to you? The idea of low rules for business, strong personal rights, or worries about wealth gaps? Tell me in the comments. Good talks help everyone learn. If this simple explanation helped, subscribe for more easy breakdowns of big ideas.